Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Snapchat. If you also want to get verified, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The minimum requirement to get verified on Snapchat is only 50,000 views. How to get 15,000 views? Now I'm going to show you. First of all, we have to launch Snapchat and tap on your profile icon and tap settings. Now scroll, and under who can, we have to tap on view my story and select everyone. By selecting everyone can reach to your posts and stories, and you will get 15,000 views easily. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.